I think my first formal exposure was actually to the FxPM platform. I came down with Dr. Tom, and we spent a week being immersed in it. Tom had exposure before, had training in it, but that was my first exposure. I actually got to know Armando and some of the other men in the trade room by listening to the trade room before I ever came down. And then when I came down, got to put names and faces together and spend personal time together. And part of the strength of the experience is the opportunity to build that kind of relationship. So together you're invited into a community of people who are sharing some of the same goals and desires, but they're at different stages of life, they're in different need sets, they're different experiences. They may be bringing a medical background or a finance and accounting background, or in my case, a ministry background. But together they have some of the same goals, and they're hoping that the Forex market will help them achieve that. But,
sure.
Coming and meeting Armando, kind of hearing his passion for this as well as his skill is an invigorating part of the whole community of FX traders. It's been a great week to be immersed in that, actually practice it, use it, gain confidence with it, and then the patterns themselves, beginning to see what the setups are, what's the price movement, how do you come back to basic routines that ensure you that what you have you keep, and what you go after you gain successfully. And I think for me, those two things just being reinforced at every level. You know, protect what you have, keep it, sustain it, and grow it in a way you feel confident and clear. You know why you're making your decision. You can review what you've done and test it against the plan you've had. And the training that's provided lets you do that. Not only gain skill, but be profitable at it. In order for MetaTrader 4 to tell you what FxPM can tell you, you have to have lots of charts open, you know, lots of different indicators, and you're kind of chasing information. My experience has been that with FxPM, information's being provided you that no other charting system can provide you. But not only is it providing you information you can't get easily through other charts or through a charting approach, it's giving you essential information to know the very thing you must know. What's the price action? What's the intensity of it? What's the relationship between movement in various time frames? It's giving all of that to you in a very straightforward, simple to understand, actionable picture. And as you gain confidence and comfort with that, your decision making is clear, and again, it's successful, it's profitable. Forex Successful Traders has demonstrated the ability to understand the trader's challenges, and through the training process to address those challenges, answer them well, and then set a pathway for them to be successful with a tool that gives them everything they need to be successful.